IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you have a lot of friends or just a few close ones? Band 5 answer.
I don't have many friends. I only have some close ones because I like to be with people I know well. I think it is better because I can trust them.
Why is this a band 5? Fluency and coherence. The answer is short and simple, but lacks development and connectors. Lexical resource, basic vocabulary, many, close, trust. Grammar, simple structures only, no complex sentences. Pronunciation, generally understandable, but not natural or varied in tone. Typical of a band 5. Limited, but understandable communication using simple language. 7.5 answer.
I would say I have just a few close friends, rather than a large circle. I prefer having meaningful relationships with people I can really trust, instead of many casual friendships. We spend time together often, and I value the depth of those connections.
Why is this a band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth and coherent with clear reasoning and supporting ideas. Lexical resource, in good range. Meaningful relationships. Large circle. Casual friendships. Grammar, mostly accurate with a mix of complex and compound sentences. Pronunciation, clear and natural with good rhythm and stress. Typical of a band 7.5. Expresses ideas clearly and naturally with minor lapses in flexibility. Band 9 answer.
I have a small circle of very close friends. I've always believed that quality matters more than quantity when it comes to relationships. With close friends, I can share anything openly, and there's a genuine sense of trust and understanding that's hard to find in larger social groups.
Why is this a band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless flow, well-structured and fully developed response. Lexical resource. Sophisticated range. Genuine sense of trust. Quality matters more than quantity. Grammar, fully accurate with varied and natural complex structures. Pronunciation, effortlessly natural with excellent intonation and stress patterns. Typical of a band 9. Fully fluent, precise, and idiomatic delivery with no noticeable errors. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.